Got 3 on the dash. Bitch, I'm on your ass. Like, where's you going? I'm getting the money, I'm fucking these bitches.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am keandrachiccollection and I am back with another thrift flip. I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this oversized turtleneck dress to this 3-piece Euphoria inspired set. Okay, I love it. I was inspired by a YouTuber, Nava Rose. I will link her video in the description box for you guys if you want to check her video out. But I just recreated this look, so if you want to see how I got this set, just stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up at the end. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the clip. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure whatever you're working on is inside out. You want to turn it inside out. Trust me, it's not really a big mistake, but I've made the mistake, you know, a few times, and y'all seen I've always just forgot to turn it inside out. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off both sleeves and the turtleneck. And the turtleneck came in clutch because I didn't have to make a bandeau top. I used the turtleneck as a bandeau top. So yeah, this DIY is going to be really easy, guys. So make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me, sis. Okay? Because why you ain't subscribed yet? We go over this every time. You might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're gonna be back again and watch another video. So why not just be notified when I post? Okay? Now, once I cut off the turtleneck and the sleeves, I'm going to take my skirt pattern and I'm just going to cut out my skirt, of course. Y'all, I be so heavy with this damn rotary cutter. Do y'all see me? Like, heavy on the damn cut. Like, oh my god, I don't know if I be cutting this the right way, if I'm supposed to cut it moving forward or bending down on it like I'm supposed to. I got a heavy hand, so yeah. Anyways, back to the video. Once I cut out the skirt, y'all know how I like to use my scissors and make a clean cut before I remove my pattern off the fabric. So that's all I'm doing here. And once we cut out our skirt, we're going to cut straight up the middle of our cardigan and take it to the sewing machine. Well, in this part of the clip, we're going to be taking it to our serger machine. I do use both of my machines in this video, which is my heavy duty Singer sewing machine and my brother's serger. So the skirt, first we're going to take it to the serger. Sometimes I can't use my serger machine, and in the video you will see where I get to the step where I have to use my sewing machine other than my serger. So here I'm just going to pin everything together, and then we're going to start on our top. And when we get to the top, I'm just going to cut a straight line up the middle, cut the extra fabric off you see on the sides, and then I used my body as a canvas to resize it because again it was a double X. So I will show you guys in the next clip how I did that. Here is how I used my body as a canvas and just pinned it where it needed to be taken in it. And if y'all wondering about the camera flip, it's because I was recording it the wrong way, so please forgive me, sis. And after I do this, I'm just going to show you guys where we're going to be sewing it. We're going to be sewing up the sides of the skirt, of course, and the sides of our cardigan. And as always, I always take whatever fabric I'm using, take a scrap piece of it, and I test my fabric. I test my thread before I actually start serging my actual piece. So that's all you see me doing here, and we're just gonna serge away. If you didn't hear what I said in the last clip, because you know I talk a little low, but I am now going to connect our sleeves to our cardigan, and all you want to do is put right sides facing right sides and pin them together and make sure they just flat and connecting. This fabric is so messy, y'all. Like, it was over my bed, it was over my floor, it's on my clothes, my face, my mouth. It's just crazy. It just feel like something just shedding all over my, like, it was hell trying to clean this shit up. I'm telling y'all. But if you're liking this video so far, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that bell so you're notified whenever I post. And if you are subscribed, I love you so much, sis. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, let's just jump back into it. Again, you want to make sure you're pinning right sides facing right sides and as flat as possible. And this is how the first sleeve look, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Y'all, do y'all see my damn face? Look at it. It's just shit everywhere. Annoyed as hell, okay? I couldn't wait to get this shit off me. Alright, so at this point, I have already serged the sleeves and my skirt together. I did go ahead and put my elastic band on off camera, and at this point, this is the place in the clip where I said I had to switch out my serger for my sewing machine. We have to sew our elastic band down using a zigzag stitch with our sewing machine, and you can just watch how I do it here. There are 4 pins all together, and I just stretch out to each pin. I stretch my elastic band out to each pin. If that didn't make any sense to you, just check me out right here, okay? So I'm a visual learner. I'm pretty sure you guys are too. That's why you're looking at the video. So just check me out. This is what I mean when I say I stretch out to each pin. Stretch as I go. And guys, if you like this video so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post. And guys, I don't think I said this before, but you always want to make sure you backstitch when you start and when you finish. Just backstitch 1 or 2 times and you should be good. And here is, I have the skirt serged together. Now I'm just going to make it shorter because I didn't like how long it was. So yeah, I cut off about like 3 inches. So that's all I'm doing here, is just using my heavy ass hand to chop it off. And after that I do that, I'm going to show you what we have so far. And this is the 3 pieces before we add our black fur trim. Adding this trim was a little tricky because this is my first time I've ever worked with fur trim or trim at all. So it was kind of, yeah.
Like a yard of it.
I'm just going to use it and attach it to our 3-piece set. But I'm just going to attach it to the jacket and the skirt. So I've already done the bottom part of the jacket. Now I'm going to hem just the top part. And if you guys didn't hear me, I was just going to hem the top part. Well, not hem it, but put the trim on the top part. And as y'all can see how many times I had to pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down. Again, this is my first time working with this trim, and it was a struggle. But hey, practice makes perfect. And I told you guys it was a little tricky working with it. So yeah, it took me a good probably 10-15 minutes, but we got it together, as we always do and always will. Okay, so yeah, I did put the trim on both sleeves and the bottom of the cardigan, the neckline of the cardigan, and the bottom of my skirt. So you definitely want to make sure you backstitch again when you start and when you end it. This 3-piece set came out so fucking bomb, y'all. Like, I was so in love with it. But this is the finished look. Again, it was inspired by Nava Rose, and she was inspired by Euphoria, the show. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post. And if you are subscribed, I love you guys so much. I am Keandra Chick, and I'll see you guys next time.